Okay, so let's unbox this Samsung, this monster television, smart UHD, Apple App Play 4K, HDMI certified UHD. So this is the Samsung 43 inches 7 series RU7100. I'm gonna unbox this now. Okay. Quick setup guide. So let's pull this out. Stand. TV stand. TV stand. Cord. Screws. And more. Okay, we're going to install the stand here. One here. Here is the stand. Okay, so this one, right, there is a letter R that says the right. So this will go here at the right corner. So let's snap it, or let's just place it. It will fit. Okay. So that's it, and you'll just put the screw, two screws that you're going to screw it there. Okay, there the stand is already done. It's already installed. This is the back of the Samsung Smart TV. Right. Looks good. This is a 42-inch TV. So now the port there, so this will fit just over here. That one. Okay. Okay, so there you go. This one goes to the outlet. 3 HDMI and for the cable. This one digital, and then we have the this one. Then we have the LAN. So let's turn this on. The remote. So Netflix, Prime Video. This is for Amazon.
Happy Mother's Day, Mami.
So there's no YouTube. So let's turn this one on. There you go. Set it up. Smart TV, no signal. Check the source. Let's go to the source.
Netflix, Diane's no, ipakita.
Okay, Ito sa setup ang source.
Oh, Netflix. Ganito ang baling ko. Barato na lang lagi ng TV ha. Cash na dito. Cash?
TV, remote, settings.
Balik ka, mag-table. Sa pang balik.
General to connect to the internet. So network, connect na to the internet. Select network or network status. The network setting, wireless.
Yang atong taon ani ate.
There, password. Going to type the password. Dire. Small letter. So after connecting, there's some error. Wireless net connection, network disconnected. So let's try again. So just get connected to the internet. So this is the user interface of the Samsung. Okay, let's done. What's that? Music. Okay. So let's click done. Are you ready to enjoy your smart hub? Yes, I am ready. So now this is ready to use. Okay, so we have the Netflix. We also have the Prime, the Apple TV, the YouTube, Google Play, Gallery, the Internet. So let's set this up for our Netflix. There you go. Let us sign in. Because I already have the account, so just going to sign in my account. So I just entered my login accounts. So it's loading. There. I'm in. Look at that definition. This is the 4K high definition. So let's try to play some videos. Let's play.
Yes, that's right. You can leave a quiet light away from the noisy TV.
So thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to my channel, Wheeler's Bell. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.
Okay. Somebody say what up. You still around the corner?